How to perform a sensor check. To carry out a sensor check, first press the menu key. Select Sensors and press OK. Scroll down to check Sensors and press OK. Press the down arrow to step through the information. Note, the alarm on your unit will be disabled, so please ensure the monitor is not in use. You must wear appropriate PPE while working with compressed air. Press Agree to the warnings, and the unit will tell you which gas is required. For example, for the CO calibration, the first gas required is 08-461, 20 ppm CO. Press Select, and the unit will tell you to connect the gas. Take the regulator end of the calibration hose and connect it to the gas bottle. Connect the other end to the unit and open the valve. Press Start on the unit. Note, you will see the unit counting up on the display screen. Once the unit has passed the check for that gas, it will display a completed message. Turn the gas off and press Next. Press Next again. Disconnect the CO gas and connect the air hose to the 08-460 Zero Air. Open the valve and press Start. Close the valve. Press Next. The unit will display a success message. Press Next again and the unit will display the final results. Press Finish and reconnect the unit to your regular air supply. Then press Done. Providing the unit passed, your unit has completed its calibration verification. If your unit fails this calibration, first check the sensor for any oil residue. If there is oil present, it is likely your sensor is damaged. For more details, please contact us.